Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Today we are with our faceting machine and our master Iskender will guide us all about our faceting machine, how to use it, with which products you can use it, and he will introduce all the attachments. Bulunmaz faceting machine is a diamond cut machine to decorate on different jewelry ornaments. With faceting machine you can work on wedding rings or regular rings, you can work on bangles, bracelets, pendants, any round or flat objects, even chains in different formats. So I can say that Bulunmaz faceting machine is a must for each of jewelry workshop. Your workshop is small, big, you are manufacturing rings, pendants, bracelets, any items, you definitely need one of our faceting machine. Even it's a big and complicated machine, I can say that it's a low-cost machine comparing to what you get with that machine. If you are ready to know more about our Bulunmaz faceting machine, let's start with rings. Iskender, can you show us some rings please? That was just a simple model on our ring. Can I have a look please? We used 3mm 140 degree diamond tool on this model. We just made cross cuts, but as you can see, just with a simple design, our faceting machine can make incredible designs. Let's change our tool and make another ring model for you. It's really easy to change the tools, it just takes a few seconds. If you are following our YouTube channel and our company, you know that we have hundreds of different diamond tool models. So easily you can combine different tools and create unlimited models for your jewelry production. We will make another model with 2mm convex tool now. I leave you alone with Iskender for the next model. We completed our second model using Bulunmaz faceting machine, horizontal head with the regular propeller, but for this model we have to finish it with Bulunmaz lathe machine. So let's go to our lathe machine to finish that ring. Let's go Iskender. We used our lathe machine. You can combine our Bulunmaz lathe machine easily with Bulunmaz faceting machine and get unlimited different models. In my ring, I made central parts with faceting and the side and the lines with Bulunmaz lathe machine. We have plenty of different propellers for our faceting machine. We have smaller and bigger propellers and each one gives different effect on your jewelry pieces. If you want to learn more about the different effects with different size of propellers, just go to our website www.bulunmaz.com, see the page for faceting machine and learn more about our propeller options. Let's change to our smaller size propeller and so you can see the difference of effects with the smaller propeller cuts. As you can see, that's a much smaller propeller. What that gives us chance to make a cut much more narrower. Let's see Iskender in action to understand better about this extra propeller. To be able to use the smaller size of propeller, we had to take that shaft just one level down. What that means, because there is a limit that we can go up the down part of the machine, we had to take it down so our propeller can touch easily on ring. If the propeller would be bigger or our product would be Bengal, we wouldn't need to take the shaft down, but we had to do that on this model. Iskender is making the final checks to find the center of our ring and the tool, and next operation we will start our ring model with the smaller propeller. Third ring is ready. We used the tiny propeller. Let me see the ring. We covered our ring with full diamond cut, and of course if we make borders on our ring with the lathe machine, the ring will be totally completed and it will be really beautiful. As I told you, you can combine hundreds of our different diamond tools and make endless ring designs, Bengal designs, pendant designs, whatever jewelry you make. Again, I used 140 degree 3mm diamond tool. That's one of my most popular tools. For our next ring, I will use a different propeller. That's a really different type of propeller. As you can see, it's not working outside. It will take our ring inside the propeller and will work around it. Iskender is changing the propeller. He is looking for the spare parts of the machine. He needs to change the propellers. It doesn't take much time, just a few minutes to change the propellers and be sure that propellers are properly fixed inside the machine. Crazy Mustafa is also with us, and even Boğaç is with us, our camera guy. All together we are doing that video for you. Sometimes you may need help for changing different parts, that's why Crazy Mustafa joined us, and that part is really important in my hands. When we move back the shaft of our propeller, we have to fix that part behind the machine. That part is manufactured for the perfect size to set the exact size we need for the propeller. So when we put that part into the shaft, our propeller, our U-shaped propeller comes to the perfect degree, which is the perfectly centered. We just changed our U-shaped propeller and Iskender is fixing the tool. Just before using the U-shaped tool, you must be very careful about few details. U-shaped propeller is a really dangerous product. If you are not sure about how to use it, you should definitely not try with that. We have plenty of different videos here on our YouTube channel, and also whenever you contact us, our technicians will guide you how to set and how to use the U-shaped tool. Why you must be very careful with the U-shaped propeller? As you can see, it's running around the ring, so any miscalculation that you will make can end up with damaging your product, even the holder part of your machine. As you can see, there is a ruler and a setting part on the U-shaped propeller. With setting this part up and down from the ruler, as you see here, you can make your cuts with different radius values. If you are ready for the U-shaped propeller, Iskender will show us now what kind of models you can make with that propeller. Not just the propellers, but you can also use vertical head to make a different designs. As you know, the propellers, the small one, medium one, big one, even the U-shaped one are working horizontal way. But now I want to introduce you a different use of our machine, the vertical way. Iskender will just move the machine in a few seconds and your machine will be able to run on a vertical direction, so you can get point designs. Before turning the vertical head to the operation, be sure that the ring holder part is down enough. After unlocking that part, you can easily turn it. You can use your vertical head on any items, rings, bangle, pendants, but we will continue to demonstrate you our machine in ring item. You can see different control units on our control panel. Here you can see two green switches. One controls the horizontal head and the second one controls the vertical head. So Iskender will use the second switch to control the point head, the vertical head. The point is really easy operation. All you need to do is to set the center of your tool depending on the round size you want and make your cuts. With the calculation of centering, our points are about 1.5 mm size. But of course you can make your points smaller or bigger. Let Iskender make a final touch with the jewelry lathe machine and you see the finished ring. As you can see, after making the point tools with the faceting machine vertical head, I just completed my ring with flat cuts. Even a simple touch with the flat cut changed my ring totally a different model. Next function of our Bulunmaz faceting machine is that motor Zetina engine, which is also a background engine. With setting this motor onto the machine and making the necessary settings, you can make simple background designs with your machine. It just took 3 minutes to set our Zetina attachment, background attachment. We will keep working on a ring, but you can also work on a bangle with this attachment. It doesn't matter. The idea of the attachment is same. So Iskender will demonstrate us now how it works. Background model is really interesting. You can combine the speed and the tool and get different background finishings. It's really easy to use our Zetina background attachment. Any problem you have using the attachment, you can anytime contact to our technicians, make a video call or request a video and understand much better how to use that attachment. Bulunmaz faceting machine comes with several attachments, so Zetina background attachment is just one of them. Coming to the last step, I want to show you what other jewelry pieces you can work with Bulunmaz faceting machine. As I told you, you can work on bangles, pendants, earrings, chains. Let's continue with a bangle. Iskender is changing the attachment and show you how to set a bangle on the machine. Iskender is making the last checks with bangle because he changed the entire machine. As you just saw, we just changed first from vertical head to horizontal head, then we took out the background attachment, and finally he changed the ring holder to a bangle holder. All this process took less than 5 minutes. That's really important because that means that you don't really need to spend a lot of time with making the changes. Our propeller is ready, our diamond tool is ready, and our bangle attachment is ready with the empty bangle. I leave you here with Iskender Show. We worked on a reduced form bangle. You can work flat or reduced or even triangle bangles. Let me have a look how it looks like. As you can see inside, there is a round shape collet and my bangle is totally covered with diamond cuts. We again used with Iskender 3mm 140 degree Pazalux tools, but of course you can combine different tools and get different finishings. That's the bangle collet, so you can put your flat bangles directly on it, or if you have round bangles you can put it with a middle attachment. When you are ordering your machine, you have to tell us which size of collets, which diameter, which thickness, radius or flat, whatever you want. All the spare parts you can supply from us. Don't worry about anything, rings, bangles, pendants, any other items for different attachments. We will help you during your order. The last attachment I want to show you is the flat pendant part attachment. That's just for with a sticker, but we also have different form of these attachments. For example, you can use them as a holder or different forms. Let's have a check how you can set this attachment into your machine. So after setting your pendant attachment, you can simply stick the pieces and work on them. As you can see, we have been working on different objects and get different finishings. Of course, combining different tools, you can again get different finishings. If you want to see the detailed videos on how pendant attachment works, don't forget to subscribe Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We will keep making more videos for you how to work with pendant attachments. Not just these flat pieces, but you can work with Bulunmaz faceting machine on every jewelry surface that you can imagine. We have been working on different jewelry items today with our Bulunmaz faceting machine. We try to show you every different attachment and every different use of the machine. But don't forget that our faceting machine is a pretty complex mechanical machine. That means you can always combine the different attachments and different diamond tools and create unlimited designs. I hope you enjoyed that video. This was a really detailed video about Bulunmaz faceting machine, but we will keep making more videos for you in the coming weeks. If you liked our videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram to be updated about our machines and different jewelry models. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for your time. See you again in the next videos.